Good day, my name is Umida, and now I am going to tell you about our motherland. Our motherland is Kazakhstan. It's situated in Central Asia, borders with China, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. Its population is about 16 million people. The state language is Kazakh, and the second language is Russian. The Republic of Kazakhstan has its own state symbols, its flag, emblem, and anthem. If to say about history, Kazakhstan took over 200 years to gain its independence. Thousands of people fought for the freedom of our country, and many died for the future of their homeland. Thanks to those people, we live in the state, free and independent. We must remember them. We have our culture and traditions. We have our musical instruments, songs, traditional food, traditional clothes, and others. Unfortunately, many rich and interesting traditions and customs of Kazakh people have been forgotten throughout the past century. December 16 in 1991, we became independent. 30 years have passed from that day. Kazakhstan celebrates this large event. Indeed, it's not just a holiday, but it's the result of hard work and friendship of all nations living in Kazakhstan. Since independence began to develop the economy, science, culture, and sport. Of course, it was not easy for our country to start to build their own state, to overcome everything, to overcome unemployment. But we went through these difficulties. We have done a lot. We have built a strong state. A symbol of Kazakhstan can be found in our new beautiful capital, Nur-Sultan. In short time, it became unique, modern city. Our capital is changing every day. This is beautiful and peaceful city with unique sculptural symbols. I am sure our capital will become even better in the future, and I say, live long and prosper, my Kazakhstan.